supposedly robbed him. Two girls, they robbed him.
Rob.
The National Weather Service has issued hurricane warning for the following counties or areas: Hillsborough, Pasco, Pinellas, Florida, Adelaide.
This is an important message for anyone and everyone on or eligible for Medicare. If Medicare is important to you, then you need to hear this message because Medicare benefits matter to millions of Americans. Did you know Medicare has different parts, including Part A and Part B? Original Medicare, Medicare Part C, representing Medicare Advantage plans, and Part D for prescription drug coverage. Call 800-897-5004 now for your free Medicare coverage checkup. We can look up your plan and see.
The National Weather Service has issued hurricane warning for the following counties or areas: Manatee, Florida, at 11:04 a.m. on August 28, 2023, effective until 10:34 p.m.
But there are also certain conditions and qualifications that may allow you to qualify for a special enrollment period any time of the year. So call the number on your screen now for your free Medicare coverage checkup. This is a free service that you can call at absolutely no cost to you.
I'm on Medicare.